Hey everybody! I am so excited to be trying out this Qure Micro Infusion System. So this is at-home microneedling. This is a 3-month kit, so it comes with everything you need to do 6 treatments. And you can do it all in the comfort of your own home without any downtime. So I have some old acne scars from when I was a kid. I also have large pores, some fine lines, and I got a lot of texture going on. I used to use one of those dermarollers in the past, which I found out is not really that great for your skin. As I saw when I was watching an episode of Doctorly on YouTube with Dr. Sha and Dr. Maxfield. They also talked about the Qure system and how it's safe to use at home. So there's no disinfecting required or reusing blunt old needles. Now, I've had professional microneedling before, which I really love, but it's expensive. And it does have a lot of downtime. So let's check out what's in the box. There's the Micro Infusion System, which is a vial to put the serum in, and the stamp. The stamp has 24 karat gold clinical grade needles. Don't worry, I'll do a close-up so you can really see it. The needles are thinner than human hair. So this is supposed to be virtually painless. It comes with 3 hydrosoothing serums, which contain Beta Glucan, and 3 rejuvenating serums that contain EGF, which is epidermal growth factor. So you only use 1 stamp for 1 treatment, and then you discard it, and it comes with 5 more stamps. And they're each sealed in a package so you know they're sterile. So what this does is it creates tiny channels and penetrates the top layer of your skin. Then it delivers the serum deep below the barrier and accelerates absorption. So today I'm going to be trying out the rejuvenating serum, and this is my first time using this, so let's go. This doesn't hurt, by the way. I'm going to go over my whole entire face. I'm doing a 50% overlay with each stamp. And this really doesn't hurt. I mean, you feel it, but I mean, it doesn't hurt. When I went to a med spa to have microneedling done, my face looked horribly red for 3 to 4 days, I'd say. So this is really quick. Got a tech neck crease. Crow's feet. Some of my acne scars. You can see here the acne scars. When you're done, you just remove the stamp and then you throw this away. And then you could use the rest of the serum put on your face and then just let it sit. So I'm a little red, it's not bad, but I'm gonna check back in a few minutes and I'm gonna let you know how long this redness lasted. So it's been about 3 hours and I can say my skin feels really soft. I feel like it plumped up a lot. The redness is starting to go away. I'm gonna check back tomorrow, but I mean, overall, I think it looks better. A little smoother. So this is 24 hours later after I did the microneedling. I love the way my skin looks. I feel like it has a glow. I feel it looks smoother. Check out the Qure Micro Infusion System for yourself. Click the link in my bio.